Welcome once again to Den of Knowledge English Language Basic 3 class. I remain Boniface Chima Kinsley. Today we are just going to focus on consonants. Say it. Consonants. Yes. Pronunciation of consonants and consonants word clusters. Pronunciation of consonants. Pronunciation of consonants. You find out that what is consonants? Consonants are those sounds that we make with our mouth being obstructed. Yes, your mouth is always being obstructed whenever you make what? Consonant sounds. Whenever, have you noticed it? Whenever you want to make consonant sound, you find out that it's either your mouth is closed, it's either your tongue goes up to obstruct air from flowing through your mouth. Example, can you pronounce b, 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 d, k, g, s, j? You can see them. All those sounds you make that obstruct air flowing through your mouth, that can hinder air flowing through your mouth, those sounds are what we know as what? Consonants. So today we're going to look at some difficult consonant sounds very fast, so you're going to follow me. We're going to look at some difficult consonant sounds. You know, there are some consonant sounds that are so difficult because there are much obstruction of air when we want to pronounce them. So they are so difficult. Now, if you don't watch me closely, please don't be distracted. If you don't watch me closely, you may not get it. Alright? So we are going to go one after the other. We are just going to discuss few of them here. Of course, other ones can be easy. So we're going to discuss this sound. We're going to discuss some consonant sound. This is consonants. Remember, we are talking about sounds. Consonants are going to look at words that have some of this sound. Alright? So we're going to look at the first one. We call it sound. You see how it goes? Like this. Or as if I want to write N, then I curve it. You can see it. Yes. We call it a thing. Yes. This one is just as if someone closed the other one. So it's Now we have it in, mostly we have it in words that ends with ing. Words ending with ing, like sing. We have it in bing, sing, bing. Okay, we still have it in bring. So words that have this kind of ing or ng, you see this sound. Simply do So you don't say sing. No, it's not g sound. It's sing, bing, bring, and lots of them. Let's look at another one like this, as if it is S, but it is not S. How do you pronounce it? Your tongue here goes up to this place. Then you allow the movement like shh, as you want to do shh. So do shh. Where you see some of them is in words like SH, words that have SH, like where you have what? Shoe. You have it in sheep. We still have it in some words that have T. Okay? So, like, we have it in shop. etc. Shop. That's where you can see this kind of word. Sound, consonant sound. Now we have this one. This one is also something like this, but this one you pronounce it as ch, 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 ch. You see, So the correct pronunciation is ch, 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 ch. Example, we see it in church, especially words that have CH. Almost most words that have CH has this sound. Okay, we have it in chew, chew, chew. We still have it in watch, etc. We have it in watch. Now let's look at another word like this. Oh, dash. Now I can explain this to you. I can explain this to you. Let me use this in as your mouth, and then your tongue goes between your upper teeth. Between your upper teeth. So you just have to pronounce it. Like you have in fin. You have it in thought. 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 You still have it in thank. etc. Thank. Now we have this one that looks as if it's D. Watch it. As if it's D. It's as if it's D, but your tongue cross as well. So you keep your tongue the same way you keep this one, but remember we have voiced and voiceless the way we did the other day. Now this one is voiced. You keep your tongue the same way you pronounce this one, but then make it what? Voiced. You have like we have in that. We have in with. We have in father, mother, father, mother, and the rest of them. Even the is also part of it. Now let's quickly look at, I told you we'll also be talking consonant clusters. What do you mean by consonant clusters? Now consonant clusters is the use of two consonant sounds at a time. When you join two consonant sounds, you find out that since one can be difficult to pronounce, what happens when there are two? We are going to see how to pronounce them once there are two. Example, I have the B, L. This is a sound, B, L. How do I pronounce this? Like I have in. So it's very simple. Just keep our mouth and see if we want to pronounce the first one and then call this one bl, 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 bl. So we have blow, blow. We still have blessing. We still have blessing, blow, blessing. We still have bleed, etc. Bl, 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 bl. Now I have the BR, like we have br, 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 right? Like we have it in brain. Okay, brain. We have it in bread. Bread, etc. I won't be taking much example because of time, so you are going to practice it more on your own. We have the FR. Remember what I told you? Keep your mouth as you want to pronounce the first one and then call the second one fr, fr, fr. As we have it in front. We have it also in from, etc. We still have the other one, f, f, f. As we have it in flow, flow. And we have it in flush, etc. We still have some other words like bl, bl, like in, yes, like in glory, glory. We have other one like like in star, star. We have other one like, now this one is like sweet, sweet. And lastly, we have this one, TW. How do you pronounce it? Like we have it in twin, twin. Now you can produce more words that you can pronounce through these consonant clusters. Let them not be difficult for you. Just keep your mouth as if you want to pronounce the first one and then join it with the second one. Though it might be difficult, but continuous trial makes it easy for you. Okay, so keep trying it and make sure you are with us, stay with us. If you have any question, you can still forward your questions through the website you see over there. Be sure that you get the right answer. All right, I'm going to see you next time. Same place, Den of Knowledge. Bye bye.